In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nickname ChatGPT 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the name that appears on your account so your workspace feels personal, polished, and easy to recognize across devices. First, open your web browser and search for ChatGPT to reach the official platform. Before you click anything, take a second to verify you're on the legitimate site. Look for the small lock icon in the address bar and double check that the URL is spelled correctly. This quick pause helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your account secure. Once you're certain you're in the right place, select Sign In and use your usual authentication method to enter your workspace. After you're signed in, locate your profile area. On most desktop layouts, you'll find your profile icon in the bottom left corner. In some views, especially on narrower screens, it may appear in the top right. Click the Profile section to open your account menu. You should now see your current display name along with related settings. Now it's time to edit your display name. Click directly on your current name in that menu to make the text field editable. Type your new name exactly how you want it to appear. Take a moment to check capitalization and spelling since this is how teammates or collaborators may recognize you. For the cleanest look and the best compatibility across apps and devices, stick with standard letters and spaces. While special characters or emojis can be tempting, they don't always render consistently everywhere. So keeping it simple helps your name display reliably. When you're happy with the new nickname, click the Save button to commit the change. Most updates apply immediately. If you don't see the new name right away, a quick page refresh usually forces your current session to pick it up. From here, your updated display name will sync with your account so it will carry across sessions and devices the next time you sign in. That way, whether you're switching browsers, hopping onto another computer, or opening the app on a different device, your chosen name stays consistent. And that is all for today. Keeping your display name current is a simple way to stay organized, whether you're using AI for personal projects or professional collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.